Hey guys, so just updating you on the RIOT positions that I held for the contracts. I did sell at a full 100% gain, so you guys can see here. I bought two of each. I bought two 7.5 and two 6.5 calls. So two, and also bought two. And I sold one call, actually November. So yesterday I sold one of each, one for 240, one for 200. And then just today I sold the other ones, one for 260, one for 210. So I did make a full 100% gain from my return. I'll probably get back into RIOT maybe after it drops a little bit. I'll do a TA on where I think it might drop to, but it really is the consensus on RIOT is if crypto's doing good, then you buy. If crypto's doing bad, then you buy, because it'll probably rebound in a little bit anyways, especially with BTC and every other crypto running right now. So would I buy RIOT right now? I don't think so. I think it's going to drop again, and then when it does, I'm probably going to buy more.